Good Enough Customs, and we are driving. I am cruising in Big John. A couple of reasons. One, going to Southeastern Truck Nationals. Big truck show. Big John's always, well, I try to put Big John as many shows as I can because it's a cool truck. And it's comfortable to get back and forth in. And this year it has a distinct role of being the only good running vehicle in my fleet. This ought to be a pretty good time. It always is. 15 to 1700 trucks, SUVs, vans, you know, all of the GM variety. It ought to be a darn good time. So looking forward to it. And I guess we'll get up there, get inside the fairgrounds, get set up, and then I'll check back with you beautiful folks here in just a little bit. All right, finally got in here, got set up, and sitting in our usual spot with our usual group of cronies in here, and we've already had breakfast. I had a lot going on this past week, so I was not able to do my usual cooking of the breakfast. So boy Taylor over there, he got us all hooked up and cooked up. So yeah, decent little crew, not as big as usual. Usually we have a few more trucks here, but you know, life gets in the way sometimes. So anyways, here's our little setup. Got a couple more spots open. Maybe we'll get a couple more folks in here. I got one or two other buddies that should be here. One, Crook, y'all guys know him. He'll be here in just a little bit, but still got a couple spots to fill. So, all right, I guess I'm gonna go and check out the swap meet because it is right there. Check out the swap meet, see if I can't find something cool. I'm probably gonna go check out Vendor Row and gotta go get my show shirt. So I gotta go pick up a couple t-shirts. So I'm gonna do all that, and I'll catch you guys here in just a few. Day one in the books. I didn't walk around looking at a whole lot of trucks today, mainly because well, Fridays is a light day, so you don't really start getting a lot of trucks in until Saturday. So I don't generally like to look at the trucks on Friday. Friday I spend time at the swap meet, which is just right there, or on Vendor Row, which paid off pretty good for me on this one. Tomorrow though, we're gonna check out some of these rides around here. So hopefully I can find somebody with a golf cart, because it's gonna be hot and that is a lot of walking. So anyhow, till tomorrow. Well, hey folks, welcome back to day 2 Southeastern Truck Nationals out here in beautiful Lebanon, Tennessee. So I was able to finagle my way into well, my neighbor down the road, Michael. He got a hold of a golf cart, and I'm like, hey, you busy? You want to drive me around for a minute? So we're going to drive around real quick. It's early. It's only like 9 o'clock. So there's still people coming in. And it's already busting at the seams. There's trucks everywhere. Saturday's always the day to come and look at the trucks. Friday's a good day for swap meet and vendor stuff, but Saturday definitely the day for going and checking out the trucks. So all right, we're going to drive around. We're going to check out a few of these rides, and well, y'all will see them too. I don't know how many red trucks I've seen, but I don't think I've seen one with this deep color of red on it. This is a beautiful paint job. Need you a toy hauler, here you go. Steve one day, maybe, probably not, but damn it. That is so sharp. Holy crap. I like that a lot. Man. So we're running down Vendor's Alley now, and a lot of wheels. Couple different wheel vendors, man. Pretty much any wheel you can imagine, they got it. Not bad on the pricing either. Just, yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff down here in the vendor area. So, yeah, something for everybody. Been admiring this truck for a minute. This thing is beautiful. I love the color combo on this thing. God almighty, that thing's a beautiful truck. Now, here comes a Blazer, and I looked at this thing yesterday, and it is awesome. I had to ask him about the dash, so I used a 5960 Impala dash, and it's fantastic. That dash looks incredible in that truck, and I love that black with that dark distressed leather. It's amazing. Beautiful truck. I think it's the only time I've ever seen one of these in person. 65 was a Corvair van, something like that. It's cool. He picked a nice shady spot underneath the tree. Understandable. It's gonna be a warm one today. And I thought parking Big John was a pain in the butt. This thing, oh, we need a little room to swing this one around. Southeastern Truck Nationals 2025 is wrapped up. Big John skunked again. Did not win any awards. What a shame. I don't care. I didn't even stick around for the awards ceremony. I might have won something. Nah, I didn't. Big John's cool. Big John ain't nice. So all in all, really good show, really good time as usual. It's just a good time. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little while, let the traffic kind of die down, because mad rush for the gates at this point. But yeah, she's already clearing out quite a bit. Ton of folks already left, so show's over. Sad noises. But anyhow, I do appreciate y'all guys sticking with me and checking out the video. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed and you made it this far, why not? Go ahead and subscribe. Don't cost nothing. It gives me warm fuzzies. So but I do appreciate y'all guys watching. If you want to follow me on social media, that information is listed down in the description. And till next time, I guess just remember, folks, it ain't gotta be perfect, just good enough. And we'll holler at you later.